Microsoft just admitted Windows 11 has a tracking ID built in, and there's no setting to turn it off. Not in a menu, not a registry hack. Here's what it is, how we know, and what you can still do. It's called a GDID, a Global Device Identifier. Think of it like a license plate bolted to your machine. Microsoft uses it to tie your device to activity across their services. And unlike your Ad ID, you can't reset it. And no, this isn't a conspiracy theory. GDID came to light in a federal court filing. That's how we even learned the name. When the way you find out your operating system tracks you is a legal document that tells you everything about how quiet they kept it. So what does it actually do? It links your hardware to your Microsoft account, your app activity, and your sign-ins across services. On its own, it's just an identifier, but combined with telemetry, it becomes a profile. And that's the part you can shrink. Now, is this the end of the world? No, but it means turning off tracking. In Windows was always partly an illusion. So, let's stop chasing the switches that don't work and lock down the ones that do. 5 moves. 1. Open Settings, Privacy, and Security. Then Diagnostics and Feedback. Set it to Required Only. Then turn off Tailored Experiences. 2. Hit General and kill your advertising ID. This is one you can reset, so there's no reason to leave it on. 3. Go to Activity History and turn off Store My Activity History on this device. Then clear what's already there. This stops Windows from logging what you open. 4. The big one. Install O&O ShutUp10. It's free, and it flips dozens of hidden telemetry switches Microsoft buries deep in the system. Hit Apply, only recommended settings. Restart, and you're done. 5. And let's skip a myth here. You do not need a paid privacy cleaner. They're mostly junk. Just switch your DNS to a private one, like Cloudflare's. In your network settings, it's free, and it hides your browsing from your internet provider. This is part 1 of a full Windows privacy series. Banking safety, spyware checks, all of it. Subscribe so you don't miss the one on protecting your bank login. Real talk, nothing makes you invisible, and don't trust anyone who says it does. GDID stays. But these 5 steps cut the rest of the tracking way down. Tell me in the comments how many switches ShutUp10 flipped for you.